Okay guys, so we're going to go ahead and get into some student practice and go over some more examples of these parabolas and how to graph them. So let's figure out A for number 17. A here is 1, since there's secretly a 1 right in front of this. We have vertex, that's going to be H and K, so the vertex H is 4, K is -1 if you remember transformations. Next we have up and down. So since A is 1, this is upward facing, which means it has a minimum. Up and min go together, down and max go together. And zeros. So if we solve this, we have x minus 4 squared is equal to -1. Is equal to 0, so we add the 1. Square root. So we have 4 plus or minus 1, which means 4 plus 1 is 5, 0, and 4 minus 1 is 3, 0. Okay, we go ahead and graph. So we have 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, down 1 here, 5, 0, 3, 0, and we graph our parabola or quadratic. Okay, so that's how we go about doing this. Let's do the next one. Let's do 25. 4 minus x minus 1 squared equals 0, y. Alright, I'm just going to leave that alone. We're going to use that later anyway. So let's figure out a in this case. So for this problem, a is going to be -1. This is the -1 because it's in front of the x squared. We have h. Vertex. So h is 1 and k is 4. This is a downward facing because a is negative. So this is a max. Down and max go together. And these zeros, we will solve this. We -4. X minus 1 squared is equal to 4. X minus 1 is equal to plus or minus 2. And that gives, add the 1. 1 plus or minus 2 is going to be 1 plus 2 is 3. And 1 minus 2 is -1, 0. Oops. That's what I wanted. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so we go ahead and graph. We have 1, 4. So let's go to 1. 3, 0 would be here. -1, 0 would be there. And we draw the parabola. So the zeros should be on the same distance in x value away from the vertex. So notice that this is 2 away, 1, 2. This is 2 away, 1, 2, because parabolas are symmetric. So that's another key thing to know. So that's one way you can tell if your graph hasn't come out right. Let's do one more that is not a standard form. So let's do x squared minus 2x minus 3. We have a equals 1. We have vertex x equals -b, which is -2 over, remember, a, b, c, over 2 times 1, which is equal to 1. So our vertex is at 1, comma, we don't know the other one yet. We're going to do 1 squared minus 2 times 1, which gives us 1 minus 2 minus 3, which is -4. We have upward, so this is upward facing, which means it's a min. And then we have zeros. So x squared minus 2x minus 3 equals 0. We do the x method. We give negative 3, negative 2, which is negative 3, negative, positive 1. So x minus 3, x plus 1 equals 0. So that means this is 3, 0, and negative 1, 0. So we put all this together. And, oops, sorry. Don't mean to move it so much. We have the following: 1, negative 4. That's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 0 is here. Negative 1, 0 is there. Same kind of graph as the last one, only it's upside down. And there you have it. So if you guys need to check your work, guys, you can use Desmos. I would obviously try to figure out A, zeros, upward, downward, and things like that, because if you can figure those things out, then you know quite a bit about the quadratic, and you'll be able to tell if you have a mistake in your graph. Some of math involves determining when your answer is not correct, so it's probably a good idea to always check those things with the information that you know. I hope this helps, guys. More videos are to come. Thank you.